Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Mike Susko.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. That storm system is what brought us the wintry weather Saturday, and then also is part of the reason why we're having strong winds yesterday and today. You're looking at the wind advisory that's in effect for the Susquehanna Valley until 4 o'clock today. That is also why we have today as an impact day. So we will continue with the strong winds as we go throughout this afternoon. We'll get around 32 degrees. Tonight, mostly clear. It'll still be breezy, even though temperatures themselves will be in the teens. The wind chills are going to be near zero, so a very cold start to your Tuesday. Tomorrow, partly sunny. It will feel like the teens throughout the day, and highs will not get above freezing. It's going to be a cold afternoon tomorrow. You're looking outside Hershey right now, and we see the flags whipping there in the background and also in the foreground because we're still seeing gusts of over 40 miles per hour here in Hershey. 32 degrees is the current air temperature, but it feels like 18 because of that wind. Here, a look at the wind gusts across the region. 38 in York, 33 in Lebanon, 36 mile per hour gusts in Lewistown, 32 currently in Carlisle. So you get the idea. It's a very windy day. It's going to continue to be one as we go throughout the afternoon. Here's a look at wind gusts in direction. We'll continue those westerly winds, and gusts will stay elevated between 40 to 50 miles per hour at peak gusts, but most of us are going to be in that 30 to 35 mile per hour range this afternoon, and then it will back off a little bit. We'll go below 30, but still going to be in the around 25 mile per hour gusts this evening. As we look at Storm Team Live Radar Network, we had a few snow showers up in Mifflin and Juniata County earlier. Still got a little bit there outside of State College in Center County, but it has since dissipated, and I expect it to stay that way here. This is the temperature versus wind chill. So the blue line is your air temperature. The pink line is the wind chill. That's what it's actually going to feel like. It feels like the teens for the rest of the day, and then we'll actually get into the single digits as we go into tonight, and then tomorrow morning as you step out for work and school, it's going to feel like near zero across the Susquehanna Valley, especially in those higher elevations. They'll be feeling below zero, in fact, I expect there. Here's a look at Predictor. We will continue to see those gusty winds as we go through today and tonight. Tomorrow is dry, but still another breezy and cold day. Our average high is in the 40s, and we're going to be in the 20s all day on Tuesday. As we go into Wednesday, I know a lot of you have been seeing things about winter storm impacting our area. This is the storm that everyone's been talking about. It stays to the south. Models have now shown that this will be a southerly storm. It'll stay in the Carolinas and Virginia. So we barely get anything with this system here. Maybe a few isolated snow showers right now with that system, and we're not expecting much with that. So that's what the latest with that storm system. Here's your 10-day forecast. We'll get to 32 this afternoon, dropping down to 16 with wind chills near zero tonight. We'll be in the 20s tomorrow, but feels like the teens. And not as windy on Wednesday. We'll start to see that wind relax there. Still, though, going to be below freezing for Wednesday and Thursday. We finally get above freezing on Friday, and for the weekend, we return to the 40s by Sunday, and then mid to upper 40s as we go into early next week.